it is a technique which was developed. It is a staining technique which is developed by the scientist known as Christian Gram. Okay, there was a scientist known as Christian Gram who developed this technique, and on his name only we got Gram staining here. Now, why he developed this technique? To differentiate between bacteria. To differentiate between bacteria. Now, what he have done is very simple things. He have used different stains and different chemicals, and we will see the role of each and every stain and chemical here. So the first step is application of crystal violet. Now, crystal violet is what? It is a stain, sir. So when you put the stain, bacteria will take the color. Okay. And after putting the crystal violet, you wash it with water. They have skipped some steps. So they wash with water. So that the excess of crystal violet will be removed. Followed by this, they use iodine. Okay. Now iodine do what? Iodine is a chemical which will help crystal violet to bind with the cell wall more tightly. Means it will enhance the binding. Next, what do we see? We wash it with water followed by alcohol wash for 10 minutes. Now what does alcohol do? Now anyone, like especially girls, आपने nail paints लगाया, आपको पता है जब आप स्प्रिट लगाते हो या एसीटोन लगाते हो तो क्या होता है? नेल पेंट्स रिमूव हो जाता है. वैसे ही आपका ये क्या स्टेन है, सेम चीज है, कलर है. तो जैसे आप अल्कोहल डालोगे तो वो क्या करता है सर? कलर को रिमूव करना का ट्राई करता है सर. और जब वो कलर को रिमूव करने का ट्राई करता है तो हम लोग क्या देखते हैं कि ग्राम पॉजिटिव के केस में कलर अभी भी प्रेजेंट है, ग्राम नेगेटिव के केस में कलर प्रेजेंट नहीं है. अब इस चीज को हम यहां समझेंगे सर. इस चीज को हम समझाते हैं, वो लोगों ने नहीं दिया. तो ये क्या है? ये सेल वॉल का क्रॉस सेक्शन है, ये बैक्टीरिया का क्रॉस सेक्शन नहीं है. ठीक है, इट इज सेल वॉल क्रॉस सेक्शन. ये हमारा सेल वॉल है. तो जो बैक्टीरिया का सेल वॉल है इन केस ऑफ ग्राम पॉजिटिव वो थिक होता है. ओके, और ये जो थिक सेल वॉल है ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन का बनता है सर. ओके, एंड व्हेन दे आर कलर्ड विद दिस ब्लू कलर, crystal violet. Okay, they are colored like this. The entire cell wall takes the color. On the other hand, if you look at the particular cell wall of gram negative bacteria, they have a very thin layer of peptidoglycan. Here we have a thick layer of peptidoglycan. How is it? It is thick layer. Out here we have thin layer. And on this thin layer, what do we see here is we have a layer of lipid. So on that we have the layer of lipid. Clear? Now what will happen when you try to color this? The color is basically taken up by lipid, not the peptidoglycan. So who took the color? The lipid. So when you wash with alcohol, both of them, what do we see? Peptidoglycan retain the color. What is happening? Peptidoglycan is retaining the color, but on the other hand, lipid is soluble in alcohol. Okay, it is soluble in alcohol. So your crystal violet is separated with lipid. So lipid get dissolved, okay, and your entire layer is washed off. That's why we are saying in gram negative we do not have any color. So when you add another color which is sapphirine, this color is red in color. So what happens? As gram positive already have the color with them, so they do not take the color again. But gram negative do not have the color, so they take the color, and this gram negative appears red to pink in color. On the other hand, this gram positive appears violet to blue in color. Okay. Again, what we have done? Crystal violet, which is violet in color, followed by water, then iodine. Iodine do what? Iodine help us to tightly bind the crystal violet with cell wall. So in case of gram positive, we have the peptidoglycan, so it binds tightly to peptidoglycan. In gram negative, we have a thin layer of peptidoglycan and lipid layer, so it binds with the lipid layer. So when washed with alcohol, peptidoglycan retain the color and still appears violet to blue in color. But lipid layer get dissolved and the crystal violet is separated along with the lipid layer, so it appears colorless. So on the counter staining with saffronine, gram positive do not take the color, but gram negative take the color and appears red to pink in color. Is it clear, Babu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write it down.